open it. Oh my goodness.
Wow, what do you have here?
And books.
Ooh, show me. Let's see.
Okay. Look, this.
Wow, what is this?
Henry.
Oh, this is a Christmas puzzle.
A Hetty, Henry, and
Wow. Wow, you've got books.
yeah.
Oh, wow, Christmas books.
I got this one.
Oh, you've got Henry hats. Look. And we've got this, a very good bag. And they also gave you this visitor badge.
Dad. And I got blue Henry. And this and
Wow. Oh, this is a notepad. You can draw or you can write on this. Very nice.
open.
Let's open this.
Yep.
What's this? A pencil case?
And open more.
Let me help you.
Wait.
Let's see. Oh, this is a puzzle.
Open it and
Very nice.
we got the Henry, Hetty, got in here. Play.
We've got Santa, we've got Henry, Hetty. Henry's wearing a hat. And Hetty also wearing a hat. Look. Are you going to wear a hat? This one? Henry hat? Yes? And you've got books.
Got in here. Henry's, Hetty, and and I got play. And
Oh, you've got another book. This is a Christmas book. Let's open the hat and let's try it on if it fits you. Let me open it for you. Wow, you look handsome. You look very nice. You look handsome. You've got a badge, a visitor badge.
I'll get a badge. And let a badge.
You can put this on if you want. Yeah?
I got Henry's.
You need to open this. This is left to open. Wow, this looks like a mini pencil case. A Henry pencil case. You can take it to school.
Oh my.
It's very nice. So guys, we've got this goodie bag from Henry, NUMATIC factory we went to. Thanks to Becky and the staff. The staff was really amazing. They were really helpful and very friendly. GB loved the tour. He was a special VIP guest there. And yeah, did you enjoy? Did you enjoy in there? Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you like it?
Yeah.
Did you like all the Henrys?
Been
And this Henry there is a gift from who?
Daddy Bean.
Becky. Henry.
Lucky Henry.
Yes. And all these faces This is a new addition to the new Henry's
Got this one.
clip-on ones. So she gifted all of them
Yeah,
to Jimmy.
Hetty, Henry,
Bye.
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 Bye bye. Bye bye. I got peach and got yellow, blue, a Hetty, yellow, and got this.